one, you made a relation between conductivity and relaxation time. Tau equals to something, what do you got expression? Ne square m into tau. Okay. Now all these derivations, this is for 3 marks, this is for 3 marks, this is for 3 marks, and this is for 5 marks. That is I already explained in the last theory classes. Okay. Now move on to next one. In the last class I told you about what Ohm's law. So in Ohm's law what happens? R upon equals to V by I, means resistance equals to voltage upon current, and SI unit of resistance is given by what? Ohm, and symbolically it is given by what? This is a mathematical symbol for what? Resistance. So today's class, again move on to the its next part. In today's class we are going to discuss its next part, that is color code. Color code carbon resistor, and they are going to ask you 1 marks question compulsory in examination. There is a 1 marks question will be there. You have to identify the color code of the resistor. So I already told you resistor symbol is given by what? R. So students and voice ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ? ಸೇ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಯಾರು ಮೈಕ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕು ನನಗೆ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. So resistor symbol is R. Okay, usually resistor is made up of what? Carbon. Nodri, a resistor it is made up of by what? Carbon, and they made some color code for different values of the resistors. Okay, that is the color code carbon resistor. Okay, on this resistor it is, which is having the how many bands? 4 bands. 4 bands, each band indicates the resistance value and their tolerance rating. I am going to tell you what are those 4 bands, okay, in today's class. First of all, this resistor is made up of what? I told you this is made up of by what? Carbon, and this is not made by hand, it is made by what? Machine only, and they are going to manufacture. The typical, the carbon, it looks like what? In this fashion, which is having the 2 ends. This is one end, this is another end. On this end, which is having the 4 bands, okay students. So this is the typical carbon resistors, this kind, which is having the 2 ends. This is the one end, this is another end. On this one, which is having the 4 bands, at present now I drawn red color, this is one band. Similarly, another color I take blue, this is another band. This kind of bands are there. Now I will take another color, which is I am taking, this is yellow, and 4th color, here 4th color is the 4th color is what I am taking. At present actually gold or silver irtitri. Silver color antanda what I am taking. This color I will choose. this is silver. Like that, it contain how many colors? 4 colors. So it contain by how many colors? 4 bands. Okay, this is first one, this is second one, and this is third one, and this is what? Fourth. Every carbon resistor is made up of a carbon which is having the 4 bands. 4 bands. Now each time you are going to get what? A different kinds of what colors here. Now at present here given red. Okay, next one is blue, third one is yellow, this one is I am given by it were silver. Okay, but this is not only remains same colors, you color ಏನಾಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ change ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾವೆ. Okay, now how to identify? If I ask you what is the value of this carbon code register, that is only question comes. For that sake we require what? Some table to understand the colors and their numbers and their values. Okay, for that sake I am going to draw a table here. Letters, first one, next one which represents what? Which color, and whose number, and whose decimal multiplier. Okay, now for example it start from B. I am going to write first PB ROY GB VGW, means it start from black, second color is what? Brown, third color is red, fourth color is orange and yellow, next one is green, next one is blue, violet, gray, and last color is white. So always black stands for color number is what? 0. You have to remember. Brown is 1, red is 2, orange is 3, yellow is 4, green is 5, blue is 6, violet is 7, gray is 8, and white is 9. And whose decimal multiplier? You have to take what? 10. What is the number? 0. Brown is 10 the power of 1. Like that you have to remember. 10 the power of 2, 10 the power of 3, 10 the power of 4, 10 the power of 5, 10 the power of 6, 7, 8, and 10 the power of 9. So this is that table. And one more table comes tolerance. Okay, tolerance having the only 3 colors. One is gold, another is what? Silver, and another one is what? No color. And which gives the tolerance? For gold it is 5%, and for silver it is 10%, and no color it is having the 20%. Now students, you need to understand here this table. To this table and this tolerance only you have to identify this carbon code register value, and it is very simple. First try to understand here this color number is fixed. Suppose here if it is red color is there, red means what? Number is how much here? 2. Similarly black, second one is what? I am taken what? Blue, blue is number is what? 6. Like that you have to identify corresponding number properly, then only this resistance value you are going to write what? Properly you are going to write. Now I told you how many bands are there? 4 bands. 1, 2, 3. First 3 bands are using by this box, this table, and the fourth band, this fourth one is what? Belongs to what? Tolerance. You need to understand student this one. The fourth band is what you call? It is given by what? Tolerance. That should be that can be what? By using this table only you have to calculate. First, second, third color by using this table, and the fourth one is by what? Tolerance. Means tolerance means I am going to tell you one example, then you could understand easily. Okay. Now there are 4 significant figures. 1 2 3 4. Okay, now we'll take this example only to make you what easily understand this concept clearly. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Now first I will take what first color. Okay, now I told you there are how many bands? 4 bands. Now my question is, what is the value of this register? For that sake I will choose the first color. Which color is there? 1. 1 corresponds to which color? Red. Red is number is how much? 2. Now for that sake I am going to write what? 2 first. Second color is what? Blue. Second band. Second color is what? Blue. Blue corresponding number is how much? 6. The what the rules tells that first you need to write first color and second color bands value numbers. Now it is 2 and 6. Okay. Next you have to make a multiplication symbol. Third color you need to what to find out. What is the color? Third one is yellow. Yellow means what? Here yellow means what is the color? 4 number. 4 number time you have to take what? Not number, you have to take what? It's a decimal multiplier compulsory, that is 10 the power of what? 4. Next you have to take symbol plus or minus. Next which color is there? Silver. Silver is the tolerance test is 10, means you have to write what? 10%. So this is the value of this given problem. I hope this was understand. Okay, try to understand student this one. First color, first band. First color, first band. Choose. ಎಷ್ಟು ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಇದೆ ರೀ? ರೆಡ್. ರೆಡ್ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಲರ್ದು ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಆ ಕಲರ್ದು ನಂಬರ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ರೀ? ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇತ್ತು 10 the power of 4. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರೆಡ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ 10 the power of 2 ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್. ಮುಂದೆ ಈ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 10%. 10% ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ? ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ 5%. ನೋ ಕಲರ್ 20%. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. Students, reply madri. How to write the resistance value by given carbon cold register? By using this method. Now I will give an example. Now, okay. Now I will give one example. Now you can work out. Now one example here I am going to mention you, students. Orange. Okay. Blue, next violet, gold. Now how many colors are there students? 4 colors. Now I am doing this example. Orange, blue, violet, gold. Now what is the value of orange students? 3. Good. What is the value of blue color students?
6.
Into what is the violet decimal multiplier? Violet means 7
7.
means you
10
the power of 7. Good. Means plus or minus. What is the tolerance
5%.
gold?
5%.
5%.
5.
That's it. Understood student?
Yes, sir.
Okay, some more examples ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, then I will go for next one. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋದು ಭಾಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಐತೆ ರೀ. Okay, I will give you some more examples, you will work out. Okay, students. First, ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ನೆನಪು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, that is most important student. Now you take screenshot student, this one you have taken screenshot student. Hello students, you take screenshot this one. Okay. Now I will go for next slide. Now I told you here how to remember this box, because numbers are fixed. It is a serial 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now difficulty comes here, how don't to remember this numbers only, particularly black for 0. brown for 1, yellow for 4, violet for 7, white for 9. How to remember this color? That's why we made a here one systematic observation. Just go through this observation, student. Here it is given by B first, next B, next R, O, Y, G, B, V, G, W. To remember this one, we made a, okay, how to remember that color code? For that sake, how to remember color code? For that sake, we made a one idea. What is that idea, students? Here I am going to write. That is B, B. Here I am writing whatever capital letters are there. No, those all are what? Our colors. Small letters you just leave. Of Great Britain had very good wife. Now students, here observe one thing you have to observe here. Here I am taken what? B, first letter, second B, that is black, brown, red, orange, yellow. Leave this part. Only see the capital letters. This is green, blue, violet, matta grey, next white. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. I think this is understood, student. How to remember this word? That is B.B. Roy of Great Britain had a very good wife. If you remember this sentence, then you can easily give that number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and only capital letters are what represent what? Its color and its number. That's it, student. Okay. Now I will give some examples. You work out and tell me. Okay. Now example, next one is I am going to give you, use that table and solve. Okay. In that table only you are going to come. Here only. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. Now I am going to give you colors. Okay, remember and tell me. Okay, now gray, white, yellow, gold. Okay, I will give you 3 examples. Okay, next blue, green, brown, silver. Next one more example, violet, gray, red, no color. Tell me, students, what is the first one?
89 into 10 raised to 4
89 into 10 raised to 4 plus or minus 5%.
plus or minus 5%.
89 into 10 raised to
the power of 4.
4 plus or minus what color? 5%. Good.
5%.
ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಚೆಕ್ಔಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್
65 into 10 raised to 1 plus or minus 10%.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 10%. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಹಾಂ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್
75 into 10 raised to 2 plus 20%.
20%. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಈ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಕಲರ್ ಕೊಡೋಕೆ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಂಗೆ 4 ಕಲರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇವು ಜುಗುಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ದಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಕೋಡ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಹಾಂ,
Sir,
ಹೇಳಿ.
it is 78 into
Sir,
10 to the
78,
power
sir.
2 plus
78.
ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್
78, third one.
78.
ಹಾಂ 78. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, 78 ಬಂದಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
ಗುಡ್. ಹಾಂ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪಿ. ಹಾಂ This is understood, student? I will give one more example.
Yes, sir. Ji.
Yes, sir.
Now I will give you number and you write its number. Write down color. 20 to the 10 the power of 9, 5%. Write down its color.
Red. Red.
Red.
White. Gold.
Red, white, gold.
Gold. Good. Mantala, students, understood? No? They're going to either give the color's name, write to its value. Otherwise, they're going to give the number. They're going to write to its color. Okay, students. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಈಗ ಏನಾಗೈತಿ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಆಗೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾರೆ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ದು ಹೆಸರು ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಾದರ್ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೆಸರು ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ? ಭಾವನಾ ಸುದ್ಗಟ್ಟಿ, BB ಆಯಿಷಾ ಮುಲ್ಲಾ, ಡೆಲ್ ಗ್ರಿಯೋ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಹೆಸರು ಐತನಪ್ಪ ನಿಂದಿದೆ. ನೀವು ಏನರ ಒಂದು ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಹೆಸರು ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹಾಕ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಚಾಟ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ನಾಗ ಓನ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಹೆಸರು SSLC ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಹೆಂಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ನೇಮ್ ಬೇಗ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಈಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ನಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೊಡಾಕ್ತೀರಿ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ SSLC ಒಳಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೆಸರು ಹೆಂಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಸಾಕು ನಂಗೆ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬಾಕಿ ಏನು ಚೈಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತಿರಪ್ಪ, ಹೆಸರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಾಕು. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯುವರ್ ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮುಗಿತೀರಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟು ಬರಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಹೆಸರು. ಆಯ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲರದು? ಹಾಂ, ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಏನು ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಬಾಕಿದವ್ರು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿನಾ? ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್. ಹಾಂ, ಓಕೆ. ಈಗ ಯಾರು ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ನೋ ಸರ್ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಚಾಟಿಂಗ್. ನಾ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಂ, ನೀವು ಯಾರು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಕತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನಾ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ತೊಗೊಂಗಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಂಡ್ರಿ ಮೊದಲೇ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಪೂರಾ ಕುಂತವ್ರದ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹಾಕ್ತೇನಲ್ಲ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನಾನಂತೂ ನಿಮ್ದು ಏನು ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿನಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಮೂವ್ ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ನಾವು ವಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್. ಏನಪ್ಪ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕೆಲಸ? ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಅಪೋಸಸ್ ದಿ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ and it is given by what? Symbolically Ohm's law, R equals to V by I, and whose SI unit is given by what? What is the SI unit of resistance, student? Ohm. Ohm or symbolically ಇದು ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಮುಂದೆ the next one is how this resistor will be what? Circuit symbol. Okay, the circuit symbol of resistor, that is I am going to give you, that is this is the shape of what? Resistor symbol, ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊರಿ, which is having the two ends, and this is the resistance. Okay, ಇದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. This is the circuit symbol of what? Resistor. Okay, ಇದರ ಒಳಗಡೆ resistor suppose only if it is there means its value is what? Fixed value ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, 100 ohm, 10 ohm. Okay, if it is given by in this fashion, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗಿದೆ. ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್? ವೇರೀಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಫಿಕ್ಸ್. If it is in this kind of arrow mark comes, this is value going to change. Okay, now this is the circuit symbol of what? Resistance. Now this resistors we make a what? Combinations of what you call resistors. Okay, in this one we have make a two types of combination. One is called in the combination series combination. One is called series combination. Okay, this is the first type, and second type is called what? Parallel combination. Okay students, this is what? Parallel combination. These are the two types of what? Combination. Now series ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I am just giving idea, and this is for 3 marks in annual examination, in coming test. This is also 3 marks. These are very important, and there are very small derivations adavri. Okay, in series combination if I give this is one resistor and this is another resistor and this is what? Another resistors, means this is I have take R1, this is I am taking what? R2, and this is I am taking what? R3. Means what happens here? Here one resistor is connected to what? Another resistor, and this connection is called what? End to end connection. End to end connection, and this combination is called what you call series combination. If resistance are connected across two ends, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಒಂದು A ಐತಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಏನೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ B ಐತಿ. This is called R1, this is R2, this is what? R3. Means here across, if that here two or more resistance if they connected end to end, that is called a connection to the series combination. Here if the 2 or 3 resistance connected across how many ends? 2 ends, and that combination is called what? Parallel combination, students. That combination is called what? Parallel combination. Now we are going to discuss in detail about what are this series combination and parallel combination. I hope this is the symbol of resistance. Now here in this derivation of series combination and parallel combination, you are using this Ohm's law derivation only. Okay, with help of that derivation we are going to write the what are the equivalent combination for series combination and parallel combination expression for resistance we are going to write. Okay students, okay, you take screenshot of this one. ನಾ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಡ್ರಿಪ್ಪ, ನಾ ಉಳ್ಕಿ ಟೈಮ್ನಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನಾ ತೊಗೊಂಗ್ಲ ಮದ್ದಾಳಕತ್ತೇನೆ ರೀ. ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆದಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೇನೆ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್. ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮುಗಿದ್ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ಉಳಿದಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ಮದ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ದು? ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವನ್, ನೌ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಗಿವ್ ಮೀ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ 2 minutes time. Say yes or no students, everyone is given, don't send any chat messages. ಯಾರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ವಯಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನೀವು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ?
Yes sir.
Yes.
ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತು ನೋಡಿ ಸಪ್ನಾ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಇವ್ರು ಈಗ ಚಾಲೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನೋಡಿ. ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು? ಓಕೆ ನಾ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೀ
Yes, sir.
ಸರ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮೈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ರೀ ಈಗ ಸಿರೀಸ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಸಿರೀಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಯಾವ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ series combination of register series combination of registers so what is series combination here two or more resistors are when they are connected series if they are connected end to ends nadidanalagal torisidan student end to ends now we are going for what derivation of that derivation of an expression for the equivalent of here they mention how many register two registers they are connected in what students they are connected in series series they are connected in what series now first I will draw the diagram see this is the first resistance they mention here only for two registers means I will take only two resistor this is the first resistor now I will choose another resistor and both are connected with what end to end which is connected with what a battery now this is if I take R1 this is what R2 here whatever this voltage is there no that voltage will be get divides into what 1 year resistance ge V1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ for second resistance ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ V2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ means voltage will be get divides whatever current flowing in the both resistance remains what same this one you have to remember this part you have to remember now here total V this V is there no that total V becomes what divides into what each resistance as a V1 plus V2 this one I am taking what equation number 1 okay this one I am taking what equation number 1 here the total voltage will be get divides into what sum of their individual resistance V1 plus V2 now you know that what is Ohm's law R equals to what Ohm's law is what V by I here R1 is there okay one thing is one point you have to clear here in series combination you have to remember the voltage gets what divided notice as a V1 V2 V3 okay this is the first point and the current remains what same here current I remains same whatever current will be flows in R1 and R2 it remains what same only but voltage will be get divides into what V1 and V2 if I give a resistance R3 it becomes V3 if I give R4 V4 means how many resistance you are going to connect that much resistance what happens it is go on dividing this point is very important voltage gets divided and current remains what same so here total current V equals to V1 plus V2 now I will apply what Ohm's law so Ohm's law for first one R1 V1 I is there then what happens to the Ohm's law to this one if you write in Ohm's law form that is Ohm's law formula is what R equals to what happens V by I students R equals to V by I in that format if you write R1 is there corresponding voltage is what V1 is there current is what I is there similarly for R2 what happens R2 equals to V2 upon I now rearranging this one here V1 equals to what happens I into what happens here R1 here V2 equals to what happens I into R2 now you got individual V1 and V2 students substitute this one in equation 1 then what happens equation 1 becomes in the place of V1 what I am taking I into R1 in the place of V2 I am taking what I into R2 what is common student here I is common common what R1 plus R2 will be left. Now I will take this is equation number 2. Okay students. Now what I will do now? Now this is the series combination. Like that I will make what another circuit here. I will taking only one resistance. I will taking what only one resistance. This is combination. Here I am taking what RS. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ R1 R2 ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿನಿ RS ತೊಗೊಂಡಿನಿ. RS means what? What is the meaning of RS? RS means what? Here number of resistance are there which are connected in what? Series. Number of resistance are there which are all are connected in what? Series, and which is having the voltage what? V common, and current is what? I. Hence we can write replacing this one here Ohm's law. If you write, what happens here student? RS equals to what happens? V by I, or V equals to ಏನಕ್ಕೆ I into RS. So this is equation number 3. Now compare equation number 2 and 3. What happens students? Comparing 2 and 3. Here also V, here also V, same. Here also I, here also I, same. Means V and I will be get cancelled. What happens? RS equals to month equation R1 plus
R1 plus R2.
So what is this is? This is your final expression for your combination student, series combination. If it is R3 is connected, plus R3. If it is R4 connected, plus R4. Andre sum of their individual resistance will be get what? Add up. R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6 up to R10. You can take n number of resistance. Understood student? So this is ಎಷ್ಟು marks question reply the 3 marks. So ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗಾರು ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ just you ask your doubt. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಟ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೋಟ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇದನ್ನು ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ 2 resistance ಆರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ಹೌ is they connected? ಎಂಡ್ ಟು ಎಂಡ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಈ ಸಿರೀಸ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಖಾಸಿಯತ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಾ ಏನು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಾಗ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಂಟು ಬಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿದೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ದ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ R1ರಾಗ R2ನಾಗ ಹೋದಾಗ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ರೀ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಏನಾಕೈತಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಕೈತಿ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ V1 ಮತ್ತು V2. Corresponding R1 ಐತಿ, V1 ಐತಿ, I ಐತಿ. Then I will use which law? Ohm's law. Then what happens? R equals to ಏಮಂತಲ್ಲಿ V1 upon I. Similarly ಸೆಕೆಂಡಿಗೆ ಏನಾಕೈತಿ R2 upon V2 into I ಬಂತ. The one thing is try to understand here total voltage will be get divides into what? V equals to ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ V1 plus V2. So we now by using this R1 and R2 we can rearrange this one. V1 equals to I R1, V2 becomes I into R2. Using these two, substituting in equation 1, in the place of V1 I am substituting what? IR1, V2 ನಾಗ ಏನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ IR2. ಇದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಏನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆತ? I ಕಾಮನ್ ಆತ, R1 plus R2 ಬಂತೆ. This is the total voltage which is equals to I into R1 plus R2, that is equation number 2. Now what we have done? Now we are replacing this combination into what? Equivalent combination. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಏನು ಬರ್ದಾರ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಡ್? Equivalent ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ, ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ there are how many resistance are there? Number of resistance are there which are connected in what? Series combination. What combination? Series combination. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹಾಕೈತಿಲ್ಲಿ RS ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೈತಿ. What a word I am taking here? RS. RS means what? Series combination. Once you taken series combination, hence ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಮ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? RS equals to ಏಮಂತಿರಲಿ V by I ಬಂತು. Then V equals to ಏನಂತಲ್ಲಿ I into RS ಬಂತು. Once you got V into IRS, ಈ equation 3rd equation 2 ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ here also it is V, here also it is V, here also I, here also I, ಇವೆರಡು ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ. Then this RS becomes ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? R1 plus R2. Hence this is your final expression. Shall I move to next derivation? Parallel students, ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವತ್ತು. Shall I move to next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, move on to the next derivation, that is called parallel combination of resistance. So I told you already parallel. Now you need to find out what it's a final expression. Parallel naga, this is first resistance, this is second resistance, which is connected by what, across two ends with a battery. Okay. Now here what happens, the voltage remains same here for both V, because combination is what, V. That's why try to understand, in parallel combination voltage remains same for, voltage remains same, but current ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ gets divided. In previous series ನಾಗ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ರೀ, voltage get divides as current remains what, same. Okay, that is the combination of the resistance. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ, the voltage remains same. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗೈತಿ current, this is, if I take R1, this is what, R2. Here in R1 current will be what, I1, in R2 current will be what, I2, and remains what, I, that is V. Here also two resistance, here total I will be get what happens here, divided into what, I1 plus I2. Similarly students, here resistance is there, R1 is there, I1 is there, using Ohm's law. Ohm's law is what, R equals to V by I. In that format if you write, R1 is there, I1 is there, V is there, what happens, R1 equals to V by I1 and R2 equals to what happens, V by I2. Similarly I wanted I1, so I will take I1 equals to V by R1, I2 equals to V by R2. Substitute these two in equation number 1. What happens, equation 1 students, I equals to V by R1 plus V by R2. Here what is common students, V. What left, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, this is equals to I. Now I will take, this is equation number 2. Okay. Now similarly what we have done in the previous derivation, now I will make this circuit into what, one small circuit, that is called equivalent circuit, where number of resistance are connected in what, parallel. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀನಿ RP ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀನಿ. What do you take, RP? RP means what, there is a number of resistance are there which are connected in what, parallel. Here it is I. So if you write here Ohm's law, what happens, equation students?
RP is equals to V by I.
Very good. RP equals to V by I, or I equals to V by RP. Correct student? So this is equation number 3. ಈಗ 2 and 3 ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಏನಾಕೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ.
1 by RP is equals to 1 by I1 plus 1 by I2.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2, 3 ಮತ್ತು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಕೈತೆ ರೀ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ here also I, here also I, same ಐತಿ, here also V, here also V. So what left, 1 upon RP equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, means the number of resistance are connected in what, parallel, that must be equals to the reciprocal of their sum of their individual resistance, that is 1 by RP equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. If it is given by 3 resistance, 1 by R3. If it is given by 4, 1 by R4. That is how many resistance they are going to give, that much resistance will be get what, equation will be get what, same.